So today in Spreadsheets class, I'm going to show you how to print landscape. I'm going to show you how to use headers and footers, how to display grid lines and values, and how to use comments, show and delete comments and notes as well. So firstly, let's share my screen. There we go. Okay, so into a very familiar looking exercise now, Dornoch Riding Centre. Okay, so first of all, when looking at Dornoch Riding Centre, you can see there's a little area in here with a purple triangle, if you like, in the top right hand corner. This shows me that there's a comment or a note in here, okay, and it's saying size should be horse. So that's given me an instruction. It's showing me how to do an instruction, that there's an instruction required or a note required because it's got a small purple area. If as an administrator you receive a spreadsheet with something like this on, you will know that you have work to do in that area. And we can see these with review up here, and there's the comments, and show notes. So if I show comments, it will show all the comments that are within this document. So there's one in here, size should be horse. So I can say horse for size, and then I could delete the comment. Let's see, delete that comment to show that it's been actioned. Okay, if you want to put a comment in somewhere, we could in here, new comment. Okay, new comment, and cost should be, let's say, £17.50. Just enter. That's it. Okay, so cost should be £17.50. This way, if there's 2 or 3 people editing the same document or working on the same document, then they can see that there's issues that need to be sorted here. Okay, in order to see these comments, it would be show comments, and you will receive a list of them over here. I will go in and I will change this now. Cost should be £17.50. Okay. That's it, and I now want to delete the comments. The easiest way to delete the comment is just come over to the right hand side, okay, and delete like that. Oh, there we go. Show comments, delete, delete. Here we go, delete. That's it, delete button up here. Okay. Sometimes it works on the right hand side, sometimes it works up here, but as long as you've got the option, it doesn't matter. So that's showing and deleting comments. Okay, what else do we want to do? If we want to print, if we want to include a header or a footer, we would need to go to view, or we would need to go to the page layout section. And you can see that there's 3 sections up here for my header now, and down here 3 sections for my footer as well. So I can easily insert my name up here as a header. There we go. I want to go back into my normal view, click in here, and instead of page layout, we would go to normal, and that would make my spreadsheet appear normally on the sheet. With, where else do we want to do? With grid lines, if I'm printing just formulas and such like, if there's no borders on my spreadsheet, if there's no borders at all, okay, let's remove all the borders. No borders. I would definitely want to make sure I've got these faint grey lines in. Okay, faint grey lines. I would need to see them. They're my grid lines, and I could remove those by clicking this box here in the View tab. Grid lines off, but I want to see them, so leave grid lines on. Okay, and actually, as I said previously, using Word, I prefer borders around my documents because I think it makes it much easier for the reader to follow. Okay, so I'm going to come back up here, and I'm going to go back to my borders, and I'm going to put my borders back in again so that they appear when I'm printing as well. Okay, and I might actually make this border for this cell here, just this one, thick outside borders, so it stands up very nicely. Okay, now printing. So when I want to print If I want to print my formula, I would go to formulas and show formulas. Okay, formulas, show formula. This way it shows the formula here. And look, I have absolute cell references here as well. Okay, so show formula. If I want to print, go to File, Print. And at the moment I'm in landscape orientation. Quite often, when you first come to the print menu, it will be portrait orientation, which is up and down the way, and that means that you will have 2 pages. Okay, we'll have 2 pages, as you can see, page 1 here, up to sale price, and then page 2 is sale value and quantity. That's not good enough. I don't want my spreadsheet to appear on 2 pages, so I would change my orientation from portrait to landscape, so from up and down to sideways. And now we should have 1 page, do we? No, 5 as discount is still appearing on the second page. We still have 2 pages. So in order to correct that, what I could do is go down here to scaling, and I could say fit sheet on 1 page, fit sheet on 1 page. And this will scale for me. Thinking about things. And here we go. It has the entire document is now on 1 page, the number 5. Okay, and we only have 1 page of a document. Okay, but I'm not really going to print. So let's come back. So that's print landscape, viewing your page layout. So remember, page layout and view, normal view, page layout view with headers and footers. Okay, with headers and footers area. Go back to normal view. And show and delete comments. And that's the lesson for today.